Hi guys, I recently painted the car and today we will polish it. Orange peel occur when applied to seek varnish or paint. Another possible cause is low air pressure in the paint gun, dust and debris. These annoying particles often almost always stick to fresh varnish. Bubble breakout, an annoying defect that will only appear after a while running your dreams of perfect painting. It's caused by excessively high drying temperatures and excessively thick paint coat. Matte coating. It also appears after a few days. It's a consequence of the use of an overly fast thinner. And the first things you will need to do is wait 3 or 4 weeks for the paint to dry 100%. After this easiest stage has been passed, you can proceed directly to the polish stage. Grinding. You can use either the wet or dry method. The first involves hand sanding with waterproof sandpaper with a grain size of approximately 2000 to 4000. Determine the timing of the work, since the car can be polished only 3-4 weeks after painting. During these days, the paintwork will dry completely. The work area should be well ventilated, well lit, but not exposed to direct sunlight. Before starting work, thoroughly cleanse the surface of the car from dust and dirt. Plastic and rubber part of the car must be glued and the working surface must be thoroughly degreased. Friends, as you can see, the surface of the coating has become perfectly smooth. No orange peel is observed here. Only then can you start polishing. If the orange peel remains, you will not see it even after polishing. It always takes a long time to scrub the surface. So friends, please be patient. Remember to use a coating abrasive pasta first, then finally abrasive pasta, and finally a no abrasive pasta at all. Protective final polishing. Everything is similar here. Buy a pasta for shine and paint protection and follow the instruction attached to it. There are several types of polishing performed after painting: abrasive, protective, nano-polishing. They resort to abrasive when rather serious defects have formed during the painting process, deep scratch and even chips on the surface of the car. Using special sanding paper for grinding, the imperfections are eliminated and the surface is carefully polished with the pasta. In such case, it's better to work with each section or part separately. The name of the polishing, protective, speaks for itself. They use special means based on Teflon and wax, while the protective layer will last from 3 to 10 washes. If you process a small area, then you can apply the fines without a grinder, literally with your hand. Nano-polishing is an ultra-modern method and a special multi-component nano-varnishing with unique feature was invented in Japan. Its advantages are faster application to the machine, longer lasting finish, and bright shine. Friends, as you can see, after polishing, the matte part of the hood surface became mirrored, and the part that has not been polished is distinct body is visible. Finishes of work of polishing. Pot wetting with water. If the paste dries quickly, then the surface needs to be slightly moistened with water. Cleaning the wheel. This should be done periodically as the pasta sticks to its surface and a polishing effect decreases. Overheating of the paintwork. It's occurs in case where one place is polished fan an excessively long time. The varnish overheat and there is a feeling that the circle seems to get stuck in it. In such a situation, you just need to wait a little and let the surface cool down. Turns. If you turn on the machine at full power right away, then from the fast rotation, the pasta will simply scatter in drops on the sides. First, at slow speed, you need to smear it, and then gradually increase them. It's not recommended to exceed revolution for more than 2500 per minute. Cord. Many people forget about the power cord, which when polishing the roof or hood, slide over the doors and fenders, scratching them. To avoid this, you need to throw it over your shoulders or ask someone to hold it. Friends, in general, the car needs to be polished 1 or 2 times a month. Polishing pasta costs a penny, and if you have a polished machine, it will not be difficult at all. And the car will always delight the eye with saturated color and shine of the body. Friends, I especially love this part made to clearly see the difference after polishing. This is how it looks. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.